Bro, look on them two girls. Look how them a pre-way, bro. Yo, the one on the left look like a year type. The one on the right, a my one that.
Yo, Shane, you know some not feel like me can't do this no more.
Yeah, G, what you mean?
For years we had to do this now, bro. Every other night is a new woman. You're not tired if you live the lifestyle.
Yo, hear the man. Remember say we are gallus, bro. Got the girl them bubble gum. Them think we're them husband, but them know that trouble will come.
Yo, me no energy, but just want something different, you know. You don't want to start a family. You don't want to find love, bro.
Love? Yo, me must say love no real, bro. That's an illusion, bro. Pretty this. Now for them girl, you know, have a good man at them yard. Man will take care of them, man will loyal. Man have a 9 to 5. They not make no mish money like me, bro. But them loyal and do what them need. But many of the women then look down upon the man them because when them come on TikTok and IG, them see man like me, we're tall and handsome. Man, we're fresh from head to toe. Man, we travel every week, bro. And all of a sudden, them start look upon the man them at them yard like some worse man, bro.
Me know me I see enough things in the street, but me still can't say every woman stay so, bro. That just can't be true, bro. Look for my brother Kemar. Him and his wife they're together from when him have nothing. She could have decided to upgrade and left him long time. But she believe in him and she motivate him. Him start run taxi, put in the work and believes the God are gonna make a way. Little by little, him upgrade him thing. And now him are one of the top businessmen them in Jamaica. And with all that power, money and access, him still loyal to him wife.
There's some really good people them that still in the bro. I really believe that if I really love a woman, bro, and you feel like you have a good woman, I really love your family, that should be enough motivation. You get up every day and go hard so you can change your family situation, so you can level up. You know, maybe one day we can turn the leaf and find that elusive thing called love. But if you know, just go on and shake them, get what me want, and cut, bro. You sure see you don't want one of them girls, bro?
Nah, man. Me good.
All the better than two for me. Later, bro.
What really happened to me, bro?